All right, so we're working on a 1992 Mazda Miata. It has a bad squealing problem. There's three things that can cause this to happen. It could be a bad tensioner, a loose belt, a bad belt. Still not sure what this could be, so we'll just hear it and we'll see what's up. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. Oh no, that's bad. If we didn't have sound, this face would tell us everything we need to know. Hopefully we can change that though. All right, so at this point, I wanted to look what the belt looked like. So I popped the hood. I was inspectioning the belt, but you can't really see it here. But I managed to put my hand in there, and I could see that how loose that belt was. Look, boom. So you can tell that the belt was really good. It was actually pretty new, but you see, it's not supposed to be that loose. So what I did at this point is I follow where it tensions from, and it tensions from the alternator. So behind the alternator, this is a little 12 millimeter bolt. I don't know if you can, let me see. All right, that 12 millimeter bolt. So what I did is I loosened that bolt, and that's what I'm doing here. Get in there, man. Look at that fat hand. Okay, so that's what I'm doing right now. Once I got that loose, I was wiggling the alternator. You see how wiggly this thing is? Okay, that's not even supposed to be like that. Anyways, so to have a better look, what I did is I removed that 10 millimeter bolt right there. It's this one. And then I removed this clamp, that clamp, this other clamp with the little hose. So I also removed this because I wanted to see the belt at first. And then once I have that cleared out, I have a better look at what I'm working with. So exactly what I suspected, missing a bolt here. This is what holds the alternator from the bottom side. So what I did here is I didn't have the original bolt. So what we ended up doing, we went to the auto parts and we bought a bolt like this. So make sure you measure what size bolt you need, and also you need a nut to go with that. So once you have that, all you need to do is place it in that, go in there where it's supposed to go, that little hole, you may say. And then that's what I'm doing right now. So at this point, I'm just tying that up. I'm holding one side of it and then just tying up the other side. And that's pretty much all it is. And then at that point, there needs to be tension on that belt from the top side. So as you can see, there is a little gap here. So in that gap, you can put something in between and then just pry it or just pull it and then get that tension that you need. That's what I'm doing right here. And then you remember that 12 millimeter bolt? That's what I'm tying up right now. And that's pretty much it. At this point, all you need to do is check the tension that you have. If you're happy with that tension, it doesn't necessarily need to be like crazy tensioned. But here I am checking. That's not my hand. That's my brother's hand. So all I have to do here now is put everything back. Yep. I'm gonna fast forward this for a sec.
What size what was it? It's a 10. 10? ¿Es Topo Chico you're drinking or Sprite?
One thing to remember when you bolting this up, don't be too rough on it. Just lift out your pinky and just go a little bit. Just gotta go like that's enough. And we'll just continue to put this back. Here you go.
This is called the flex capacitor. The flex capacitor. This is the flow meter? Yeah, this is an air flow meter? Yeah. Is that what makes my car go? Exactly what it is. Kick it in, put the thing over. No, bro, it's air flow meter. This is what sucks. Like not having my glasses.
Anyways, once you're done putting all that back, all you gotta do is crank it up. Oh, you see how smooth that is? Yep. And that's exactly how we get a face like this. I'm so happy I changed that face. Thank you guys so much for watching another video. Have a great day.